Welcome to this lecture cum seminar for career options after your 12th commerce. This lecture will be divided into two parts. Number one will be courses available after 12th commerce. And number two is choosing your career path. So let us start with the first portion, which is courses available after 12th commerce. First, let us go to graduation. After 12th commerce, there are basically four options available. I'm not saying they are exhaustive option, but you can opt for your graduation BCom. This will be 3 years course, or you may opt for BBA. Again, this is a 3 years course. You may opt for BCA, which is rare after commerce, but still there are students who are opting for BCA after 12th commerce. And you may opt for diploma courses. So as far as graduation is concerned, you may opt either for BCom, BBA, BCA or diploma courses. Let us talk about some of the courses which are of professional level. So what are professional courses available? See, I'm guiding you to all the courses which are available. I'm not saying if you are doing BCom, you cannot do this professional courses. It can be done in a combination manner also. Means you can do BCom as well as CA together. Professional courses, first come is chartered accountancy course. Now, as this is a general idea of what to do after 12th commerce, I'm not going into detail of chartered accountancy course, but it is basically for 4.5 years. I am assuming new scheme will be implemented in CA course and it will be of 4.5 years. Which are other professional courses available? Another one is the CS, which is chartered secretary. Basically, you are taught company law and all other commerce subjects as far as CS is concerned. In CA, the weightage is given more to accountancy and auditing, but you will be learning even company law, finance, auditing and all other subjects. ICWA, where the basic major concern is with costing, but still you will be taught accountancy, finance, company law, each and everything in all three professional courses, which is CA, CS, ICWA. So CA is having more concentration on accountancy and auditing, CS is having more concentration on Companies Act, and ICWA is having more concentration on costing. Which are other professional courses available? Now, those are not directly available after 12th standard, but still if you are deciding which career option you will select, this will be relevant and important. Like MBA. Now, MBA you can do either after BBA, either after BCom, but still the preparation for MBA should start well in advance in your second or third year of your graduation. So I am talking here as a career option, even if this lecture is dedicated to what to do after 12th standard or what are the career options after 12th standard. In MBA also, there are three parts. See, you can go to Gujarat level colleges, or if you are from other state level colleges, you can go for country level colleges, or you can even go for international colleges. In all three, as I told you, all courses are after graduation, but the preparation will start along with your graduation. For Gujarat, you need to give entrance exam, which is GMAT. Gujarat level colleges like Nirma and other colleges. India level colleges, all the IIM, Symbiosis, NMIMS, this all are India level colleges where you need to give an entrance exam of CAT. As I am telling you, you need to prepare for CAT examination during your graduation. Once your graduation is finished, you can appear for CAT, or in the last year of graduation, you can appear for CAT and go to IIMs and Symbiosis. International college, there are n numbers of international college having different examination, but let me talk here only about Harvard. For Harvard, you need to give GMAT or GRE. As an entrance exam, this is not the only criteria. There are n numbers of other criteria if you want to enter into Harvard University for pursuing your MBA. Here, I am giving you a general idea which options you can select. As far as more options in professional courses are concerned, one is law. Law, n numbers of colleges after 12th standard is having 5 years integrated BA LLB course. So after 12th standard, directly you can start your law career. If you want to do it after graduation, law can be done only after your graduation. So after your graduation, you need to again enroll for your LLB. So this option is available even directly after your 12th standard, and it is also available after your graduation. Major colleges, you need to give CLET for this, and you can, there are n numbers of national law colleges in India where you can get admission, and they are very reputed and they teach you law in a very detailed and very good manner. So law is one more option. If some student needs to pursue only law, they are very much sure that they are going to become lawyer, they may even directly go after 12th standard for this 5 years integrated course. Another option is MCOM. Now why I am writing MCOM is any student who is a very average student can opt for BCom, can then go for MCOM, pursue his masters, and then go for PhD. And he can become assistant professor after pursuing this particular career. PhD can also be done after any masters. It can even be done after doing your chartered accountancy, CS or ICWA. So you can do PhD after CA, CS, ICWA. All three are valid for pursuing your CA. After MBA also, after MCOM also, you can pursue your PhD. And these are the list of professional courses. See, right now I am talking only about the courses. When we will go to career path, I will tell you that this can be done in combination. You can do BCom, CA and CS together. It is possible. Right now I am just listing out the courses which are available after 12th commerce. So this was idea of professional courses. Let us go to next idea, which are international courses. There are again n numbers of international courses. You may pursue some other international courses other than listed this, but these are some of the majors where the examinations are taken in India, but they are international courses. This is an ACCA degree, which is an accounting degree, again given by USA country. And it is a global accountancy degree. So it is not only related to Indian accounting standard, Indian auditing system. It is a global course for accountancy, ACCA. This also you can directly start after 12th standard, and it is approximately 3.5 years. I am writing down the average time. Depending upon the intelligence of the student, the time may reduce or time may increase. Other courses which in international is CFA. Again, this is a master degree course. Means this can be done only after graduation. This cannot be done directly after 12th standard. But this is relevant, understand. This is one of the most reputed financial course all over the world. If you want to build your career in the subject of finance, in the area of banking, in the area of analyst, then this is one of the best course available all over the world. I am talking about CFA, with the degree which is given by United States of America. So again, a reputed degree, but you cannot have this career, understand. After 12th, you will pursue CFA. That is not possible because, as I told you, this can be done only after your graduation. But if you are planning to do CFA, this can be your career path. You can do BCom, you can complete your CA. After completing your CA, along with your job, you can pursue for the CFA option. But again, one of the best degree as far as the subject of finance is concerned. So these are the list of international courses. I'm not saying this is an exhaustive list of international courses. There are n numbers of other international courses which are available. Let us go to second part of our lecture, which is a selection of career path. After understanding all the courses which are available after 12th standard, this will be relevant. Again, this portion, I'll divide it into three parts. Number one is common mistakes which people make while selecting this career path. Number two is how to select that career path. And number three, I will be giving you some examples of some of the students who have selected a career path and they are following it. Try to understand first common mistakes which are made by student. First is confirm. What is this? If other student is doing CA, I also need to do CA. If my friend is doing CS, I also need to do CS. So this problem is doing what others are doing. This is one of the mistakes which student makes while selecting their career path. Second mistake is undervaluing. What is undervaluing? Students select very easy career path because he is afraid of failing or for any other reason. He select very easy, academically easy career path. And at the end of his career, he thinks that I was capable of doing much more. I have seen n numbers of students passing BCom, then MCom, getting even gold medal in MCom, and then they say that I could have easily done chartered accountancy course, but I never started because I was afraid of doing CA course. This is undervaluing. It is a choice of very easy career path. When you are capable of move. And third mistakes which student make is overvaluing. What is overvaluing is you select a difficult career path when you are not having that high intelligence or you are not having a capacity to work hard, and still you select some difficult career path. I'm not saying you should underestimate yourself, but you should not even overestimate yourself. So this is selecting a difficult career path. When you are not capable of such. In any manner, either in the form of intelligence or you are not very hardworking. And still you are doing some CFA or chartered accountancy course, and then you fail, and then you are not very motivated in your academic career. These are the mistakes which students normally make while selecting their career path. Now, when I am telling you the mistake, I need to even tell you the solutions. How to select your career path. So let us go to selection. See, first criteria is you should categorize the student. If you are parents, you need to categorize your child. If student is evaluating himself his career path, he should categorize himself. So first is category. So I have made this category. You can make it on your own even. So your child is a brilliant academically. I will tell that particular category as number 1 category, and it is prodigy. So he is extraordinary intelligent, academically brilliant. Second category, a person is intelligent, very, very intelligent, but not in the category of one. I will name him intelligent. Or academically bright. Third category of students, average. They are not dumb, they are sufficiently intelligent, but they are not even very okay. So fourth category in our case is okay. But don't hesitate to categorize yourself. I have seen students, they say I'm prodigy, but they are not. I'm talking only about academically. I'm not talking in real life. The categorize one student will be very successful and category 4 students will not be successful. This is not a case. I am talking right now only about academics. I'm not talking real life things. So academically, you need to categorize the student first, a genuine category. You can go somewhat high. If you are in 3 category, you can go into 2. You can say I'll work hard like anything. So second criteria for selection of your career path should be your hard working capacity. See, I've seen students extremely intelligent, but they are not able to sit at one place and learn for more than 3 hours. So as far as hardworking is concerned, even in this category you come in second one, but in this category you are at a lowest level because you are not very hardworking. If you go with my criteria, I normally divide it into 5-star, 3-star and 1-star. So if you are capable of learning, reading, see, whatever career path you choose, everything will not be 100% logical. There will be things to be mugged up. There will be things to be remembered. So you need to be good even at this particular criteria, which is hardworking capacity. So if you are extremely good, give yourself 5-star. If you are not, if you cannot read more than 3-4 hours in a day, you give yourself 1-star. Third is your interest. Sir, we have never learned finance, we have never learned costing, we have never learned even law. How we will decide whether we are having interest in law or not? See, it depends. You have learned economics, you have learned statistics, you have learned accountancy in your 12th standard. So you can decide by that. First, how to develop your interest. You may see real life people. Those who are working in that field. So if you want to pursue CS course, you can see some of the CS who are actually working and put yourself in their place and decide whether you like this type of life or not. And number 2 is interest in subjects. So if you are very good at accounts, you like accounts like anything, a chartered accountancy might be good course for you. So interest, you can take it from real life professionals also. You can take it from subjects which you like also. And fourth is aptitude. See, what is aptitude? There are students who will be very successful in doing jobs. There are people who will be doing their own business or they will be starting their own business. Some of the students are having aptitude of doing job. Some of the students are having aptitude of doing business. In both the case, you should be having an academic career. If you think you'll be starting business right now, it is possible, but you need to have idea, you need to have finance, you need to have all other skills. That skill development can happen even academically. So I have written down 4 criteria which you should first evaluate in yourself or in your child to decide which career path will be selected after 12th commerce. Again, I am repeating category of students, whether he is a prodigy or he is an okay. Hardworking capacity, whether it is 5-star, 3-star, 4-star or 1-star. Interest of the students based upon real life people or subjects they have already learned. Aptitude, whether their aptitude is more towards job or more towards business. See, I'm not saying they should be 100% sure, but you should be having a basic idea of all this thing before deciding a career path. Let me also give you an example of career path which I have suggested to students, and many of the students right now are following this particular path. Say, I got one student, I'll not name him, but he is academically brilliant. Hard working wise, he is 5-star. He or she is 5-star. She or he is having very good interest in the subject of accountancy, in the subject of mathematics. And that particular student does not know whether he wants to do job or whether he will be doing his own business. He is very opportunistic and he says that wherever I feel comfortable after finishing my career, I'll be either doing job or first few years I'll be doing job and then I'll be doing business. I have decided a career path for this particular student. In first year, year 1, he'll be doing BCom first year and CA foundation. Foundation examination normally is in November or December. So in November or December, the student will be giving CA foundation examination and continuing with BCom first year. In second year, BCom second year. Now BCom sometimes is in semester system. Then first and second semester is 1 year. Third and fourth semester is second year. As far as CA is concerned, student will be giving CA inter examination. Again in November or December, he or she may appear in CA inter examination. In year 3, student will be doing BCom third year, preparing for CA final. He cannot appear in CA final because even for new system, you need minimum 2 years experience for giving CA final, 2 years articleship. And in CA, there is a concept of articleship. So that student will be doing articleship. In year 3, preparing for CA final, BCom third year, articleship, and one thing is added over here, which is preparing for CAT. See, I have advised this student that during this year also, even if you are doing CA foundation and CA inter, you should also concentrate on the subject of English, reading novels, improving your grammar. This should be your criteria. And you should also improve your maths, which are the basic subjects in CAT examination, which is entrance examination for MBA. After preparing CAT, preparing for CA final and articleship, fourth year I have kept blank. Year 4, in November or December, he will be appearing for CAT. Hopefully getting good marks and entering into college of IIM or entering into any other good colleges affiliated with CAT. Appearing in CA final. In this case, I have assumed that new course will be implemented and that person after 2 years can appear for CA final. And at the end of academic year 4, his CA final will be due and he may appear for CA. He should appear for CA final. Graduation is completed, third year is over. So in fourth year, he will be appearing for CAT and appearing for CA final. Assuming he is passing in CA final and he has appeared for CAT, got very good percentile and he has entered into IIM in year 5 and 6. He will be doing his MBA. After doing MBA, he will be doing job. Along with the job, in first couple or 3 years, the student will be doing a course of CFA. CFA can be done along with your job. Actually, CFA will require that you are having some job experience. Then only they'll allow you to join CFA course. And it is very advisable to do CFA after CA, because in CA you will be learning basic to advanced level of finance, and here you will be learning some professional level of finance. And if you are having this career path, see, this is what is known as career path. What I have decided, that a student is intelligent, category number 2, hardworking 5-star, he is having interest in accounting, and as far as job and business is concerned, he is not certain. See, there are people who are chartered accountant, doing CFA, quitting their job and starting business. So this is even a good career option for a person who wants to start the business. But this is not this cannot be generalized for all the students. All students will not be having this career path. I am giving you a couple of more examples of career path, and then we'll end this particular seminar or session. Say a student is average. Let me even take okay. Hardworking wise 3-star. Interest wise, again, he is having some interest in accountancy and mathematics, but he is not very good at accountancy or mathematics. Again, aptitude, job or business, anything. He might be having this career path. He does only BCom, get interest in either direct tax, GST or any other subject. Then do MCom with that particular subject, accounting, finance, and then do PhD. Become doctor, become professor. This is also a very good career path. Suggested to one of the student. Right now he is assistant professor at one of the government colleges. So this can also be a career path. You will say, sir, this looks good. It looks good to a particular student. This will look good to that type of student. I am not saying this person will be earning less, his career path is weak. He is a doctor, he is having a very good career as a professor. He might be earning in lakhs and lakhs of rupees. So this is also a good career path. Another career path. Say again, he is okay student, hardworking, capacity again 3-star, interest not in accountancy, in mathematics, not very much good at this subject, nor even having interest in that particular subject. Aptitude is doing job. I can suggest a career path where a student does BCom or BBA. I would suggest BCom. Then give GMAT, which is entrance exam for Gujarat region. If the person is from Goa, there is a separate entrance test for Goa state. So for Gujarat, you can give GMAT, opt for MBA in marketing, do job. If you are interested, even do PhD. This is also another good career option. So these are not the exhaustive career path. There may be n number of different permutation and combination. But I hope I have given you a good base for selecting your own career path. Also, all this working, as far as this writing is concerned, I will attach in this description of the video in PDF form.